What's something people don't know about kennel cough? It's more common than you think. Kennel cough, or canine infectious tracheobronchitis, is a highly contagious respiratory disease. Symptoms include a persistent cough, sneezing, runny nose, and sometimes a mild fever. It's like a doggy cold. So what do you do if your furry friend catches it? First, keep them away from other dogs to prevent spreading. Make sure they get plenty of rest, fresh water, and nutritious food. Most cases clear up on their own, but if it gets severe, visit your vet. They might prescribe antibiotics or cough suppressants. Remember, prevention is key. Keep your dog's vaccinations up to date and avoid crowded doggy spots during outbreaks. Stay tuned for more pet tips. Like, comment, and subscribe for a happy and healthy pup.